Hi, and welcome to ParTAG, the best place for renting party gear and more. More memories, more wows, more fun, and less party envy. Try ParTAG. It's never been this easy to bring your parties to life. Let's get started. From the sidebar menu, select Public Marketplace to see items in your area from individuals and businesses. Select here to search by category, like party gear or hobby tools. You can also refine your search to choose available dates, price, distance, and rating. Type in keywords for what you're looking for, like cotton candy machine. Select an item to read details and reviews. Swipe left to see more photos and view its general location. Scroll down to read more and see if the item is designated for pickup or delivery. If you like what you see, request a reservation. Confirm your dates, time, location, pricing, and damage waiver option. Provide your payment method to hold the reservation. Agree to the terms and complete your request. You'll receive a notification when the owner has approved your request. Review the details of your reservation in the Reservations module. Meet the owner at the agreed-upon time and place to receive your rental. Thank you for using ParTAG.